Good morning to all of you. I am Prashant, student of MBA studying at Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic of operations and supply chain management, that is aggregated production planning. But before we start, let me ask you a question. How do companies make sure they have right amount of products right time without overproducing or running out? The answer is app that is aggregate production planning. What is aggregate production planning? APP is a planning process used by manufacturer and service companies to determine how much to produce, when to produce, and how to use resource effectively over medium term horizons. Typically 3 months and 1.5 years. It deals with overall production levels, not individual items. Hence, the term aggregate. For example, a car manufacturer might plan to produce 10,000 vehicles per month, not planning each model separately. Second, why is APP important? Imagine a company that makes ice cream. Demand is high in summer, low in winter. If they produce same amount of all year, they run into problems. Too much inventory in winter, not enough is summer, lost sales. APP helps balance this by forecasting demand and adjusting production workforce and inventory accordingly. Three goals of APP: meet customer demand on time, minimize use resources efficiently, stabilize employment levels, coordinate with long-term strategic plans. Now let's see some key features of APP. Time horizon 3 to 18 months, planning level and purpose. Next is objective of APP. First one is match supply with forecasted demand, minimize cost, efficient use of resources, maintain stable workforce and production levels, ensure timely product availability. Now let's some inputs of EPP. To create a good aggregate plan, the company needs demand forecast, production capacity, inventory levels, labor availability and cost data. Now planning strategies. There are three main way companies approach aggregate planning. First one is chase strategy, means production matches demand each period and workforce or hours, and adjust and needed. Example, hiring seasonal workers in summer. What are pros and concerns to this low inventory and high hiring? Next strategy, level strategy. Produce at a constant rate, use inventory to absorb demand changes. Example, make a 5,000 units every month if demanded average. And third is hybrid strategy, a mix of chase and level, adjust workforce, slightly use inventory when needed, tries to balance cost and flexibility. Now the most important is methods to aggregate production planning. First one is graphical method, second one is spreadsheet models, third one is linear programming, fourth one is simulation models. Now we will see a real life example of APP. A toy company sees high demand before holidays using APP. They forecast demand from October to December, increase production in advance, hire temporary works, builds up inventory before the peak season. This avoids delays and keeps customers happy. Now, last but not least, let's see some outcome of APP, which includes a good aggregate plan result, lower cost, better resource utilization, stable operations, and satisfied customers, smooth production flow. Thank you.